Hello, my name is Laura and I am part of the marketing team. Today I am going to introduce you to the team organizing the ATEE Annual Conference 2023.
I'm Erika Kopp and I'm the chair of the ATEE Annual Conference.
My name is Clara and I'm part of the organizational committee.
My name is Oshi and I'm part of the coordination team.
My name is Luca and I'm part of the coordination team.
My name is Mobot. I am part of communication team.
My name is Ifyucha. I am part of the communication team.
My name is Ifyoma. I'm part of the communication team.
I'm Elena. I'm a part of the team working with the keynote speakers and the scientific committee.
My name is Yang Yang. I am part of the team handling the keynote speaker issues.
My name is Anisa Trisha and I'm part of the team working on the webpage.
My name is Fatma Nur. I am working on the evaluation forms of the abstracts.